Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing jerk pork together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And remember to follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my pork. It's already cleaned and washed nicely. So I'm going to go in and add all of my seasoning. Now I'm adding some of Walker's with jerk seasoning, and please note that they do have different brands of jerk seasoning on the market. You can always go ahead and use the one that you like, your family like, and the one that you think works best for you. You can even go ahead and make your own jerk seasoning. I will then go in and add all of my powdered seasoning, and if you have other powdered seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. I add some of my all-purpose seasoning. I also add some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and combine that well. Then I'm going to go ahead and just cover it and put it in the fridge. So now I went on the outside and I light up my grill, and remember, you don't need a big fire underneath your pork. You just need a small fire because it's the smoke that is going to cook your pork. So I'm going to go in and add the pork, and of course once I add the pork, I will just cover it and leave it there, allow it to cook nicely, and then I will come back after 25 minutes and flip it over on the other side because we want the pork to cook nicely on the outside and also on the inside. Please note guys that you can always go ahead and season your pork from overnight. I seasoned my pork the same day and it was amazing. You can always go ahead and check the description box and you will see all of the ingredients that I'm using. Again, if you want to add more things to your pork, more seasoning that is, you can always go ahead and do so. And you can even leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what else you'd add to your pork. So after 25 minutes, it's time to go ahead and flip the pork on the other side. Like I said, you want your pork to be nicely cooked on all sides, and also you want inside of the pork to be nicely cooked. And this took me roughly about an hour and about 30 minutes to cook. Really quick and easy. I didn't have a big fire underneath it, just a small one, and it cooked to perfection. I also went ahead and seasoned up some chicken that I'm going to add to this as well. Once my pork is nicely cooked, I will add some chicken to the side. And I do have the recipe on my channel for jerk chicken. You can always go ahead and check that one out as well and see what it's like. Also, you can always go ahead and add some red stripe beer. Once your pork is almost finished cooking, you can add some red stripe beer to it just to help with the moistness of the pork. If you don't want to add the red stripe beer, you can always go ahead and leave it out. And this is what my pork is looking like. Almost finished cooking. So once it's finished, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and serve it up nicely. I also added a little bit of sauce to mine. I made up an amazing pork sauce for it, and my family did enjoy. And this is what the pork is looking like. So we don't want it to burn up too much, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove them now and go on the inside, chop it up nicely, and serve it up for the family. So come along with me. So this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove it, like I said. And of course, you can always go ahead and serve this up with some bami, some festival, some white rice, or you can just serve it up with some rice and peas. Whatever you have at home, you can always leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys would serve it up with. And remember guys, to always add a little bit of veggie on the side, all right? Alright guys, so this is the final product of my amazing jerk pork. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen.